Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack RAR and zip files using app called RAR on your Samsung Galaxy A13. So in order to do that, we'll need to open the app which we downloaded earlier, and we shown that in our other video. We're gonna dismiss that notification and go to any files that you want to compress. Let's select downloads and select both of the files located right here. Now click on the plus button right here and you'll be able to pack the files. Now name it however you want. I'm gonna call it Samsung. You can select the extension for the files. It's RAR zip or RAR 4.x. You can delete the files after archiving. You can create solid archive as well. You can set up the password for the zip file. So let's get it 123. Very simple. We can show password or not to just see if we typed it in correctly. We can also encrypt the file names when the password isn't typed in. So we pressed OK and go to advanced options, which you can change right here. You can change any of the options visible right here. You can go to options as well to enable tasked archived files, create separate archives, show archiving time, and archiving name mask, which you can change right here. You can go to the comment to leave a comment about this RAR or zip file if you want as well. So now that we've set up everything, we can actually pack the file. So let me take the RAR extension and press OK. Now as you can see, the RAR file was created and we can unpack it as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.